Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to tile a texture in Blender. How to repeat a texture in Blender. Tiling, tile a texture in Blender. So first we have go to UV editor, and here I am going to click on image, new, and then here I am going to click on color grade, and then I am going to create an image. So this image is created. So then I am going to put this image on this object. First I'm going to click on texture view. Okay, then I'm going to put that image on this object. So this is our image. So then see, the alphabet is not properly aligned. For that I'm going to go in face mode, select this face, and then I'm going to rotate it. Face, and then I'm going to rotate it like this, little bit. Then select this face and then rotate it like this. Select this face and then rotate it like this. Select this face and then rotate it like this. So see, our texture is now aligned properly. See, the alphabet is in proper way. Now what we have to do is we have to assign our texture to this model. For that, click here and then I'm going to. So this is our texture. For tiling mode, go to shading here and press Shift A and search here mapping, and click on drag on vector to vector here like this, and then again press Shift A and search texture coordinates, and here click on UVs to vector. Click here UVs to vector. Now from here you can scale the texture. See our tiling is increasing and decreasing. If you want it in x-axis, you can do it in x-axis, but I will do it in y-axis. See, y-axis in z-axis. Z-axis will not work. You can do it in x and y-axis. So like this, you can repeat a texture of a model in Blender. So this is very a short and useful video for beginners, how to tile a texture in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, modeling texturing videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.